Hello students, how are you? Today I will explain chapter 3rd T ratio of the some particular angles, that is exercise 11 lecture 3rd by the books of R.S. Agrawal. Okay. Question number 16, it also important questions that comes in board examinations. If A and B are acute angles such that tan A is equal to 1 upon 3, tan B is equal to 1 upon 2 and tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. That has given. Then you have to show that A plus B is equal to 45 degree. Okay. So it is very easy. So first of all you write that has given. जो दिया हुआ है इसको पहले में यहाँ लिख लेंगे. Okay. So then we write tan A plus tan B plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Dear students, now you put the value tan A is equal to 1 upon 3 plus tan B is equal to 1 upon 2 upon 1 minus tan A is equal to 1 upon 3 into tan B is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay students, now you will solve. So then you will get, now that is the main fraction here given, 3 and 2 LCM you will get 6. 3 table will go in 6 2 times, 2 1 ja 2 plus 3 will go, 2 will go in 6 3 times, then 3 1 ja 3 upon, again you will do multiply, 1 minus 1 into 1 1 and 3 2 ja 6. Okay students, again five upon 6 and there will be, when you will take LCM, then it will be 6 minus 1. Finally that will be 5 upon 6 upon 5 upon 6. Clear? That is the main fraction. In this way, that will reduce one time, it also reduce one time, then you will get 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. Dear students, now downward you will write, therefore tan A plus B is equal to 1, you get value of 1, these are all the value of tan A plus B, here also tan A plus B, and then there will be tan A की जो value होती है that is tan 45 degree. Okay, from the T ratio table you will see, then you will get tan 1 की जो value है that is 45 degree. So now here tan and tan reduce, finally you will get A plus B is equal to 45 degree. Okay students, that we have to showed या proved. Clear? Yes students, so there is no any difficulty. First of all you will write tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan into tan B. Now you put the value that has given tan A is equal to 1 upon 3, tan B is equal to 1 upon 2 upon 1 here tan A की value 1 upon 3, tan B की value into 1 upon 2. Now you solve, then you will get 3 and 2 LCM 3. After solving you will get 2 plus 3 upon downward 1 minus tan A to tan B, that's value given this, and then that solution is this 1 minus 1 upon 6 it will come, and then finally that is the 2 plus 3 5 upon 6 minus 1 upon 6. Now 5 upon 6 upon 5 upon 6 both are reduced, and then you will get 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. In this way tan A plus B is equal to tan 1 की value 45 यानी tan 45 degree. In this way tan reduced, finally you will get A plus B is equal to 45 degree. Okay students. Okay, now next question. The important question will be 20. Question number 20. It's important question. Okay, here the given if sin A plus B is equal to sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Yes friends, but here given first given in the case of 75 degree. Okay, in case of 75 degree what it will be, clear? So then first of all you will think यहाँ पे हमें A plus B का एडिशन 75 है. ओके, इन दैट केस you will write sin अब 75 को 2 पार्ट में 1 पार्ट कर लेंगे 45 डिग्री एंड अदर इज 30 डिग्री. Dear students, in this way you will get A is equal to 45 and B is equal to 30 degree. Okay, because here is also saying on that base you will get now sin A means sin 45 degree. Okay, sin A की वैल्यू रखेंगे sin 45 डिग्री इंटू cos 30 डिग्री प्लस cos A cos 45 डिग्री इंटू sin B sin 30 डिग्री. Dear students, now sin 45 value you know that 1 upon under root 2, clear, into cos 30 value that's you know under root 3 upon 2 from the T ratio table, plus cos 45 degree also same equal to sin 45 degree, 1 upon under root 2 into sin 30 will be, answer will be 1 upon 2. Dear students, any doubt? Now first of all, here you will do multiply, then 1 into under root 3 is equal to under root 3 upon 2 under root 2 plus 1 into 1 1 and again 2 under root 2. Now you will take the LCM this and then it will be 2 under root 2, that will go one time, 1 multiply 3, it also go one time, 1 into 1 1, finally that will be the answer. Okay students, then that will be the answer. Clear? In this way you can solve it, also very easy but important. Now the next question 21 is very important. Okay, question number 21 is very important. Okay, that has given if tan x plus 30 degree is equal to 1 given, then find the value of x की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. Dear students, तो now it also very easy but important that comes in board examinations. So then first of all you write tan x plus 30 degree is equal to tan 1. When you will see in T ratio table, then you will find tan 45 degree. tan 1 की जो वैल्यू होती है that is 45 degree. Dear students, now here also tan, there also tan and tan you reduce and finally you will write x plus 30 degree is equal to 45 degree. Therefore x is equal to 45 degree minus 30 degree and then x is equal to 15 degree. Yes students, that is answer. Clear? After that the important question number 22, that is very important. Okay, it also comes each year. Okay friends, now question number 22, if cot minus 1 upon cot plus 1 is equal to 1 minus under root 3 upon 1 plus under root 3, find the acute angle of theta. Okay, to solve this question, first of all we will do the cross multiplication. Okay, so then 1 plus under root 3 multiply in this and cot theta plus 1 multiply in this. Okay, so in this way that will be the cross multiplication. इसका इंटू इसमें होगा, इसका इंटू इसमें होगा. जब इसका इंटू इसमें करेंगे then it will be 1 plus under root 3 into कॉट थीटा माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू, फिर इसका इंटू इसमें करेंगे तो देन 1 माइनस अंडर रूट 3 इंटू कॉट थीटा प्लस 1। क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ 1 प्लस अंडर 3 का मल्टीप्लाई इस पूरे की मल्टीप्लाई एक बार इसमें होगी और एक बार इसमें होगी। क्लियर? तो इन दिस वे जब इस पूरे की मल्टीप्लाई इसमें होगी तो देन इट विल बी 1 प्लस अंडर रूट 3 इंटू कॉट थीटा। ओके, अब इसकी मल्टीप्लाई एक बार इसमें होगी माइनस 1 इंटू माइनस 1 प्लस अंडर रूट 3 इंटू 1। Yes students, is equal to, now that multiply same way here also 1 minus अंडर रूट 3 का मल्टीप्लाई इसमें होगा और फिर इसके इस मल्टीप्लाई इसमें होगा। ओके, देन इट विल बी 1 माइनस अंडर रूट 3 इंटू, here you also express into 1 into cot theta plus again 1 plus under root 3 into that's 1. Clear? After that you will first of all transpose to cot एंड काट वन साइड, काट और काट को एक साइड ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे तो देन 1 प्लस अंडर रूट 3 कॉट थीटा एंड अगेन दैट इस पूरे को यहां से यहां तक पूरे को ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट, देन इट विल बी माइनस ब्रैकेट में 1 माइनस अंडर रूट 3 कॉट थीटा। ओके, इज इक्वल टू, नाउ यू ट्रांसपोज माइनस 1 प्लस अंडर रूट 3 इंटू 1 फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट। तो पहले इसको हम लिखते हैं, 1 का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो सेम इट विल बी 1 प्लस अंडर रूट 3। ओके, नाउ दैट यू विल ट्रांसपोज आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाई 1 का मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद, तो 1 का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो सेम दैट विल बी, ओके, सेम यही रह जाएगा और ट्रांसपोज होगा तो फिर इधर ये दैट विल बी देयर हैज गिवन द माइनस। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, then it will be ये यहाँ उतारेंगे माइनस, देयर विल बी दैट विल गो एंड बिकम प्लस 1 प्लस अंडर रूट 3। क्लियर? नाउ स्टूडेंट्स you will take the cot theta common, cot theta दोनों को कॉमन ले लेंगे, cot theta is equal to, तो inside you will get 1 plus, ये 1 प्लस अंडर रूट 3 एंड माइनस, जैसे ये ब्रैकेट ऐसे इसको शो कर देते हैं, ये स्टूडेंट्स, अब cot theta here and there both we will take the common here and left inside the curly bracket 1 plus under root 3 and that minus and that 1 minus under root 3 bracket, curly bracket closed is equal to, that also remove the bracket को remove कर देंगे तो 1 minus under root 3 plus 1 plus under root 3. Yes friends, under root 3 that is plus and that is minus, both are reduced. Here also remove the bracket, then it will be negative and that will be positive. In that case it will be cot theta. Here in small bracket you will write 1 plus under root 3, ब्रैकेट रिमूव करेंगे स्मॉल ब्रैकेट तो माइनस इंटू प्लस 1, माइनस इंटू 1 माइनस 1, माइनस इंटू माइनस अंडर रूट 3 प्लस अंडर रूट 3. Yes students, is equal to 1 plus 1 2. Clear? Now it also reduce, that is plus 1, that is minus 1, both. Then you will get under root 3 and here under root 3, means there will be 2 under root 3. So then it will be cot theta. Then here 2 under root 3. Clear students? Is equal to 2 you get. After that there is no space, so I am writing upward. Cot theta. Now अरेंज कर लेंगे, इसको हम पहले आगे लिख देंगे, यानी इसमें मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो सीधे हो जाएगा 2 अंडर रूट 3 cot theta is equal to 2. Clear? Then cot theta is equal to 2 upon under 2 under root 2 will go there. Now 2 1 ja, finally you will get cot theta is equal to 1 upon under root 3. Okay students, now value of cot 1 upon under root 3 will be, what it will be? Cot theta is equal to, that value will be cot 60 degree. Cot 60 degree from the T ratio table. Okay, from the T ratio table you will know that cot 1 upon under 3 value will be cot 60 degree, and then cot reduce, finally you will get theta is equal to 60 degree. Then that is the answer. Clear students? Okay. Now the important question, there has given question number 23, 24, 25 and 26 is the similar. Okay, so one question I am doing, that is the question number 24. Okay, question number 24 I am solving. First given, if sin A plus B is equal to under root 3 upon 2 and cos A minus B is equal to under root 3 upon 2, and also saying that 0 degree is smaller than A plus B, that is A plus B equal and smaller 90, and angle A is greater than angle B. Then find the value of A and B. Okay students, so first of all you will make two equations. Then first sin A plus B is equal to under root 3 upon 2. Then its value will be sin A plus B is equal to, from the T ratio table you know that sin under root 3 upon 2 is the value of 60 degree, means sin 60 degree. Clear? In this way sin reduce, finally we will get A plus B is equal to 60 degree. That is the first equation. Same way you also solve this. Clear? That side, and then here also cot A minus B is equal to under root 3 upon 2. Then cot A minus B is equal to cot under root 30 upon 2 is the value of cos, here they given cos, that angle will be cos 30 degree. Okay students, in this way cos and cos reduce, finally we will get A minus B is equal to 30 degree. That is the second equation. Clear? Now by solving first and second equation. Okay students, so then first equation A plus B is equal to 60 degree, and second equation A minus B is equal to 30 degree. Now both equation you will solve. Okay, A plus B is equal to 60 degree first equation, A minus B is equal to 30 degree second equation. Now you will add. After addition you will get A plus A 2A, and plus B and minus B it will reduce, and when you will add then you will get 60 plus 30 90 degree. Therefore A is equal to 90 degree divided by 2 is equal to 45 degree. Clear? Now on putting the value of A is equal to 45 degree in first equation, so then it will be A plus B is equal to 60 degree. A value, therefore A value has becomes 45 degree, plus B is equal to, here there is no space, so I am writing there here on putting A is equal to 45 degree in first equation or in second equation, in any one you can put. Okay, so first equation is given A plus B is equal to 45 degree, then A value comes 60 degree. A value comes 45 degree is equal to 60. 45 plus B is equal to 60 degree. Then B is equal to 60 degree minus 45 degree is equal to 15 degree. Yes students, in this way your answer will be A is equal to 45 degree and B is equal to 15 degree. Yes students, in this way these are all sums are important.